Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in ARC Raiders game. So what you need to do is first launch Steam, and after that select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see under general language option is selected as English. From here you can easily change whatever language you want. Just for example, I'm selecting Italian. So you just have to select Italian language, and after that restart your system once, and after that you will find the language is changed to particular Italian that you have selected. Again, if you want to change, again come back, launch Steam, under library section select your game, click on properties, and from here you can again come back and change to English, and after that restart your system, and you can easily find the language on English. So by this way you can easily change the language from English to any other language, and again do vice versa. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.